number 12. Name of the chapter is Electricity and Circuits. Electricity and Circuits. Okay, on that day we have done the dry cell. How to draw the dry cell? Very simple. You have to make a carbon rod in the center of a metal container. Okay. Tip of this carbon rod is made up of glass. Clear? And this acts as, yes, beta? What is this? Yes,
Positive terminal.
positive terminal. Okay, tip of the carbon rod, it acts as positive terminal, and this is the metallic container, and center of it is having the carbon rod. Carbon rod is surrounded by a material that is electrolyte. This is electrolyte, and it is made up of ammonium chloride paste. You need not to write the name of the chemical. You have to write only electrolyte. And this is the manganese dioxide and carbon powder. Okay. Carbon rod, positive terminal, and base of this metallic base, which is made up of zinc. This metallic base it acts as negative terminal. It acts as negative terminal. You have to draw this diagram. Clear? And next we have done the circuit. Clear? In a circuit, various components we have done. First of all, we have done, it is having the bulb. Okay, you have to draw the torch bulb. One terminal of the bulb and its base makes the second terminal of the bulb. And this is connecting wire. Clear? Connecting wire, one, it will be attached to the positive terminal of the cell, and then to the negative terminal of the cell. This makes the circuit. Can you tell me, it is a closed circuit or open circuit?
Open circuit.
Because when you start from positive terminal of the cell, okay, you move your finger along with this through the bulb, okay, along the connecting wire. If you find any gap, then it is open circuit. Okay, we can attach the key over here. We call it switch. When the switch is closed, we call it closed circuit or complete circuit. Clear? Complete circuit means when bulb is glowing, current flows through the bulb. Okay? And what is circuit? It is the complete path which allows electricity to pass through
Cell to a light
from one terminal to the other terminal. So what is circuit? You have to draw it also. So it is the complete path, okay, in which electricity passes in between two terminals of the cell. सेल के दो टर्मिनल्स में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है और पाथ को we call it circuit. Two types of circuit, closed and open. Now this is closed circuit, bulb is glowing. when the switch is in off position, then we call it incomplete circuit and bulb does not glow. Some other reasons when bulb is not glowing, glow नहीं कर रहा, other reasons क्या हो सकता है? Filament of the bulb may be broken. In that case we call fuse. Bulb is fused. What is filament? Filament is the
Inside source of the electricity from which the bulb glows.
not source. Source is the cell. Cell electricity produce करते हैं. It is the metal thin wire. Okay. It is thin wire which start glowing when electricity passes through it. When current passes through it, it becomes hot. Hot हो जाता है and it starts glowing. That's why we get the light. So what is filament? It is made up of thin wire. Which metal is used to make tungsten wire? Tungsten wire metal is used to make the filament of the bulb. जब आपने connect करना है तो two terminals are there. One is at this side and second is at the base of the bulb. Clear? Connections should be correct. Otherwise bulb will not glow. अगर आप इसको इधर ही लगा देती हो, बेस पे नहीं लगता ये नेक्स्ट कनेक्शन, तो आपका जो bulb it will not glow. So this will be incomplete circuit. Clear? Now this is open circuit, and when you switch on it, then it is closed circuit. Clear? Complete circuit. Okay. And one more thing I told you, that is how to make your own torch. Torch आपने कैसे बनानी है? You need three things for that. One dry cell, then torch bulb and wire. Clear? So what you need to do, you have to connect this, you have to remove the plastic covering from the end of this wire. इसके end से plastic covering remove कर देनी है. Attach it to one side at the base of the torch bulb and take the dry cell and put it on the negative terminal at one side, and other side when you touch it on the positive terminal, then bulb will start glowing. Clear? It will start glowing. This is your homemade torch. When you wait, okay, it's one end, at one end it was not, plastic covering was not removed, so I think it's not glowing, but yesterday it was glowing when I cell may be dead, one more reason, or sometimes loose connection is there. Okay. Here. This is how to make. Okay, it's not glowing. Maybe the bulb may be fused, but you are having. Give it to me. Yes. Okay. Yes, you need connecting wires, LED. LED works with less amount of current also. So you have to touch this positive and negative terminal, and you will be able to glow this. This is your homemade torch. Three things are required: cell or battery, and one torch, cell or LED, and connecting wires. So in the battery, this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Okay, two wires, these are connected to LED, and you can connect to battery and it will start glowing. Clear? When it glows, so this is working. This is your homemade torch. Same principle is of the torch that you use at home. But in that torch, what is there? Only outer plastic covering is there. Okay, they may use 2 cells, they may use 4 cells. And